Alright, show us what you got, T-Bone.
You have to move right back like that.
Alright, don't run us over. What are you gonna do?
Okay, here I go. This is the never trick that I never done.
Wow, he's going. Whoa! Nice job.
We're going off course.
Wow, you went off course for sure. How are you doing?
Good.
Alright, you want to try it again? Alright. Hello.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Okay. Here I go.
Alright. What are you gonna do this time?
Okay. The trick that this is. Okay. This is back trick.
Okay, don't get hurt.
Right.
Wait, hold on, what do you think, Maddie? What do you think, girl? No? Oh, she said she wants to see a good one. You want to see a good one? You want to see a good one? Alright, she's ready.
Okay.
Don't run into us. Oh, that was awesome. How'd you do that?
I'll show you how I did that.
Okay. What'd you think of that, Madeline? Hey, what'd you think of that, huh? Hi.
What did I say?
Hi.
What did I say, Daddy?
I don't know. What are you saying? You come over here and ask her. I don't know.
What are you saying, Daddy? Her said, that was the coolest trick ever.
Is that what she said?
I tried different trick.
All right, give us a different trick. We're ready. We're watching. You got this, Madeline? All right, we're watching you. Let's see it, bud.
Never done.
Okay.
Drive on grass and back on the driveway.
Okay. Wow, and you just showed up. You just appeared.
Is that cool?
That was pretty cool.
Okay, let me go somewhere else.
Okay. What do you think, girl? Anything to say?
Okay, here I go. Go, go, go.
All right, we're waiting. Nice job.
Okay, one sec. This is a...
All right, do one more, and then we gotta go in. It's getting cold. Are you getting chilly? I'm getting chilly. Huh?
It's a better trick of all.
Okay. All right, let's see it.
Okay, this is how it goes.
Don't hit my car.
No.
Okay.
This is how it goes. Okay, let's see. I have one more trick today. It's one leg on. Whee!
Oh my gosh. That seemed tricky. Come on, talk to me. How did you do that?
When I'm on foot, and then I started to go fast on the driveway.
How'd you stay on it?
I stayed on balance.
You balanced?
Mm-hmm.
Nice job. Do you have any good advice or pointers for anybody else that wants to do that? What do they need to do?
Do some tricks like me.
Okay. Did you hear that, Madeline? All right.